Welcome to Timeless Prosperity. In this video, we proceed with Chapter 9. Chapter 9. Vibration. Nothing is still. Everything moves. Everything vibrates. The Kybalion. The core idea, simply stated. Everything in the universe is in motion. Nothing is truly at rest. What looks solid, like a rock, is actually energy vibrating at a specific speed. The big insight. The only difference between matter, energy, mind, and spirit is the rate of vibration. Slow vibration equals dense matter, like ice. Fast vibration equals energy, light, thought. Infinite vibration equals spirit. So fast it looks still. Modern science agrees. Atoms move. Electrons spin. Heat is motion. Light is waves. The Hermetic teachers knew this thousands of years ago. The paradox. Why does spirit look still? Here's a mind-bending truth. The all vibrates so infinitely fast, it appears to be at rest. Simple analogy. Think of a helicopter blade. When it's off, you see the blades. When it spins slowly, you see blur. When it spins incredibly fast, it looks like a solid, still disk. Same with the all. The vibration is so intense, it transcends motion as we know it. That's why spirit is often described as stillness, not because it's dead, but because it's fully alive. What science says, and what it misses, science confirms. Matter vibrates. Heat equals atomic motion. Energy vibrates. Light, electricity, magnetism equals waves. Atoms are mostly empty space with spinning particles. Where science is catching up, Hermetic teaching says mind also vibrates. Thoughts, emotions, and willpower have frequencies. Science is starting to see this, neuroscience, quantum physics, but Hermetics have taught it for ages. The ether. Science used to talk about the ether, an invisible medium filling space that carries light and energy. Hermetics say, that's just matter vibrating at a super high rate. It's the bridge between physical stuff and pure energy. The spinning wheel illustration, visualize this, imagine a wheel spinning. As it speeds up, here's what happens. Speed. What you experience. Slow. You see the wheel. No sound. Faster. A low hum begins, sound vibrations. Even faster. The note rises, music scale. Very fast. Sound disappears, too high for ears. Heat begins. Higher. Wheel glows dull red to bright red to orange to yellow. Higher. Colors shift. Green to blue to indigo to violet. Higher. Color disappears, too high for eyes. Invisible rays. UV, X-rays. Higher. Electricity and magnetism emit. Highest. The wheel disintegrates into atoms to energy to ether to pure spirit. Key takeaway. It's all the same wheel. Only the speed changed. That's how matter becomes energy, and energy becomes spirit. Mental vibrations. This is where you come in. Here's the practical part. Your thoughts and emotions vibrate too. Fear equals low, dense vibration, feels heavy, slow. Love equals high, refined vibration, feels light, fast. Anger equals chaotic, intense vibration. Peace equals steady, harmonious vibration. How it affects others. Vibrations can be caught, like a song. This is the basis of telepathy, mood contagion, and mental influence. Example. Walk into a room where people are arguing, you feel tense, you picked up their vibration. Sit with someone calm and centered, you feel calmer. Their vibration uplifts you. Mastery. Changing your frequency, at will. This is the heart of mental transmutation. You can learn to change your vibration on purpose. How? Willpower. Choose a different focus. Practice. Train your mind like a muscle. Knowledge. Understand which thoughts raise versus lower your frequency. What masters do. They don't break laws of nature. They use higher vibrations to override lower ones. Example. They don't deny pain, lower vibration. They shift their focus to courage or peace, higher vibration, which changes their experience of the pain. He who understands the principle of vibration has grasped the scepter of power. Important nuance. Don't skip this. When the wheel illustration says the object becomes light or heat, it doesn't mean the physical wheel vanishes instantly. It means, at certain vibration levels, energy is liberated from the physical form. Think of steam escaping from boiling water. The water is still there, but energy is being released. Same with us, we're physical beings. But we can release higher mental, spiritual energy through our physical form. That's how prayer, healing, and inspiration work. The takeaway: simple and powerful. Everything vibrates, including your thoughts. Differences are just degrees. Matter, mind, and spirit are on the same scale. You can shift your frequency through focus, will, and practice. Masters aren't magicians. They're just skilled at tuning their vibration. You have the power to raise your own state and positively influence others. As the text closes, he who understands the principle of vibration has grasped the scepter of power. That scepter isn't given. It's claimed by learning to master your own inner frequency.